Here is BuyNothing app. It's interesting project. So the idea is that you sign up, you enter your location. For example, here I just enter San Francisco, and then from here you can see people around you who just looking for like some support or some help or yeah. So for example, let's imagine like you're just throwing away some furniture or something like that. So you can just write in this app. So someone in the radius of like 10 miles, here is some free furniture, I'm just throwing it away. Or you can ask for the help as people searching, ask for furniture, moving to SF from out of town, and I'm looking for the following items before purchasing: dresser, full-size bed, TV stand, couch, and all of that. So yep, that's what it is basically, this app. Then you have inbox, so your messages. But here, for example, this person wrote it in the Russian here. So you can just write private message and then just write to this person to basically help her out. So if you want to ask yourself, here you can just tap ask. So then here so something like that, or you just can write it new ask. There is new gratitude, you can just say what you're grateful for today. Then there is new gift, what you're gifting today. That's it. And then there is your account, so you can just add photos, and then there are settings, there is community, there is your location, you can change your location, just enter your location and depending on that. Yep. Change community settings, leave feedback, you can go to help, and from here you can just browse through the support articles, or you can delete your account or contact support from here. So something like that. So that's the idea. And then there is community, and these are all the people who are located in your community. For example, this is like San Francisco, so there are 1,100 members in 6 miles radius. And then you can see 52 gifts, 25 asks, 3 gratitudes, 47 connections. And then you can see all these members. So it's an interesting app. Like instead, it's a different approach to kind of Facebook groups, where this way you just connect with people in specific community, and there are just 3 different topics like ask, give, or gratitude. Interesting concept. Definitely give a try to this app, especially if you're moving to a new city or just don't know what to do or anything. Because like, in Facebook groups, sometimes there can be like 50,000 people, of course, much more. But here you just have the community, which is much more focused and much more motivated. So maybe there is more help here.